Hi, this is Ravi. Welcome to Option Business channel. First, let me clear the point. As a full-time option trader, I supposed to make 3% of my capital per month. Then only it makes sense to run this business. Whenever deploying any strategy, I look for it first. Then I look for what kind of risk I have to take and how to manage it. In trading, everyone has those emotions: fear on take risk and greedy on profits. Everyone wants to make money with less risk, but unfortunately, it happens very rare. However, there is some strategy which gives handsome profit against taking a risk with higher probability. In this video, we are going to see those kind of strategy which is most popular in option market. Okay, let's understand the strategy. This is the strategy which called as credit ratio spread. Actually, I was already deployed this strategy in Bank Nifty on last Thursday. I don't want to take much risk, so I deployed the strategy in monthly options, which gives huge range. I normally deployed a credit ratio on 1:2 basis. However, this strategy has huge range. I am comfort with 1:3 ratio. In this strategy, four legs are there. While deploying this strategy, Bank Nifty at 34,500 range. I bought a call option 1,500 points away from the spot and sold three call option away from the bought option. In put side also has done similar. For this strategy, payoff graph will be look like this. If you see, the range will be very huge, between 31,000 and 38,000. The advantage of this trade, it has huge profit range. In short term, if there is any sudden move, we can get out without much damage. As it has huge range, adjustments are very easy, and it will be required in minimum basis. And also we'll see the risk. It has a unlimited risk on both sides. And if VIX spike, the trade may show the negative MTM. Next, we will see the strategy on live terminal. Now you can see my live terminal. The strategy was already deployed before the two trading session. While deploying this strategy, Bank Nifty is around 34,500. We'll see on chart. Actually, yes. While deploying Bank Nifty at nearly this range. After that, this strategy has managed Friday's this fall and ups, and also it has managed today's gap down and running with nearly 2,000 rupees profit. Next, we will go on Upstock. Uh, Now you can see my live payoff chart on Upstock. I deployed this strategy on two sets. This trade required nearly 5.5 lakh margin. Everyone please ignore this max profit, as I don't want to hold this trade up to expiry. This strategy gives 6,000 rupees of credit. We will use this for adjustment purpose. The put has been bought for adjustment purpose on Friday. to manage last Friday fall. In this trade, I am expecting only 10,000 within 14 days. Next, we will see our adjustment plans. Our adjustments are going to be very simple and less. I plan to do adjustments only if Nifty breach 500 point from my middle. For example, my middle point is 34,500. If market touched 35,000 or 34,000, then only I will make adjustment. Until then, there is no adjustment. For example, if Nifty touched 35,000, then I will buy one call option. Will buy call option of 38,000 for flattening the MTM blue line. Now you can see the curve was flattened for some range. If market gone another 500 points, the same way we have to buy call option and make the upside MTM curve as flat. We can buy option up to our next two positions are fully hedged. By doing this, we will see less negative MTM, which makes us a peaceful trader. By doing this, obviously our profit may reduce. To compensate that, we will roll down our sold put options near to spot. By rolling up our sold puts, we can increase our profitability like this. Now we have managed the call side risk. In the similar fashion, we can manage our put side also. Let's see. That's it for now. I'm going to review this trade on daily basis and share the adjustment plans to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.